Hi everybody, August 2023, I am now 75 years old stroke young. So I'm really old. To celebrate this occasion, we have a special offer. If you order the Faults book, the fantastic wiring and controls book in colour, and the CO2 chart, you can get all of this for just £40, includes postage, packing, and there's no VAT. I've put links below to the shop, mrcombi.com, and also links to the app stores for the two different markets. So thanks for your support and take care.